Welcome to BioCrack Academy. In this video, we will cover MCQ question on the history of microbiology with clear answers. Perfect for quick revision and exam preparation. Let's get started. First question is, who is considered the father of microbiology for his early observation of microorganisms using a microscope? Louis Pasteur, Robert Koch, Antony van Leeuwenhoek, Edward Jenner. And the correct answer is Antony van Leeuwenhoek. Question number 2. Which scientist disproved the theory of spontaneous generation using swan-necked flask? Francisco Redi, Louis Pasteur, John Tyndall, Lazarus Palingani. And the correct answer is Louis Pasteur. Third question is, who developed the first smallpox vaccine? Robert Koch, Edward Jenner, Alexander Fleming, or Joseph Lister? And the correct answer is Edward Jenner. Question number 4. What is the germ theory of disease primarily associated with? Spontaneous generation, microorganisms causing disease, chemical composition of DNA, or viral replication? And the correct answer is microorganisms causing disease. Question number 5. Who introduced the use of agar as a solidifying agent in culture media? Robert Koch, Fanny Hesse, Louis Pasteur, Hans Christian Gram. And the correct answer is Fanny Hesse. Question number 6. Which scientist developed Koch postulates to establish a causal relationship between microbes and disease? Louis Pasteur, Robert Koch, John Snow, or Ignaz Semmelweis? And the correct answer is Robert Koch. Question number 7. Who discovered the antibiotic penicillin? Alexander Fleming, Paul Ehrlich, Gerard Domag, or Elie Metcalfe? And the correct answer is Alexander Fleming. Question number 8. What was the significance of John Tyndall's experiment in microbiology? Discovery of viruses, demonstration of dust as a source of microbial contamination, development of pasteurization, or invention of the electron microscope? And the correct answer is demonstration of dust as a source of microbial contamination. Question number 9. Who pioneered antiseptic surgery by using carbolic acid? Ignaz Semmelweis, Joseph Lister, Louis Pasteur, or Robert Koch? And the correct answer is Joseph Lister. Question number 10. What instrument was most critical to founding of microbiology? Centrifuge, petri dish, microscope, or autoclave? And the correct answer is microscope. Question number 11. Who demonstrated that living organisms discriminate between stereoisomers? Robert Koch, Louis Pasteur, Antony van Leeuwenhoek, or Edward Jenner? And the correct answer is Louis Pasteur. Question number 12. Which scientist discovered Mycobacterium tuberculosis? Louis Pasteur, Robert Koch, Edward Jenner, or Gerard Hansen? And the correct answer is Robert Koch. Question number 13. What process did Louis Pasteur develop to preserve food and beverage? Fermentation, pasteurization, sterilization, or vaccination? And the correct answer is pasteurization. Question number 14. Who described the process of phagocytosis in the immune system? Paul Ehrlich, Elie Metcalfe, Edward Jenner, or Alexander Fleming? And the correct answer is Elie Metcalfe. Question number 15. What was the significance of Francisco Redi's experiment in the 17th century? Discovery of bacteria, disproving spontaneous generation, development of vaccines, invention of microscope. And the correct answer is disproving spontaneous generation. Question number 16. Who discovered the concept of bacterial transformation? Frederick Griffith, Louis Pasteur, Robert Koch, or Alexander Fleming? And the correct answer is Frederick Griffith. Question number 17. Which scientist introduced the use of petri dishes in microbiology? Robert Koch, Julius Petri, Louis Pasteur, or Fanny Hesse? And the correct answer is Julius Petri. Question number 18. What was the primary contribution of Ignaz Semmelweis to microbiology? Development of vaccine, introduction of hand washing to prevent infection, discovery of antibiotics, invention of the electron microscope. And the correct answer is introduction of hand washing to prevent infection. Question number 19. Who discovered the bacteriophage nucleic acid, not protein, enters the host cell during infection? Alfred Hersey and Martha Chase, James Watson and Francis Crick, Frederick Griffith, Carl Huss. And the correct answer is Alfred Hersey and Martha Chase. Question number 20. What is the significance of the three-domain system of classification? It classifies organisms based on morphology. It divides life into bacteria, archaea, and eukarya. It identifies pathogens. It categorizes viruses. And the correct answer is it divides life into bacteria, archaea, and eukarya. Question number 21. Who first demonstrated that microorganisms could be killed by heat, contributing to early sterilization techniques? Louis Pasteur, Lazarus Spallanzani, Robert Koch, Joseph Lister. And the correct answer is Lazarus Spallanzani. Question number 22. Which scientist discovered the causative agent of anthrax, Bacillus anthracis? Edward Jenner, Robert Koch, Alexander Fleming, or Paul Ehrlich? And the correct answer is Robert Koch. Question number 23. What was the significance of Hans Christian Graham's contribution to microbiology? Discovery of antibiotics, development of Gram staining technique, invention of the petri dish, discovery of viruses? And the correct answer is development of the Gram staining technique. Question number 24. Who is credited with discovering the rabies vaccine? Edward Jenner, Louis Pasteur, Robert Koch, or Elie Metcalfe? And the correct answer is Louis Pasteur. Question number 25. Which scientist work led to discovery of the first chemotherapeutic agent, salvarsan, for syphilis? Alexander Fleming, Paul Ehrlich, Gerhard Domack, or Joseph Lister? And the correct answer is Paul Ehrlich. Question number 26. What was the primary contribution of John Snow to microbiology? Development of vaccines, linking cholera to contaminated water, discovery of penicillin, or invention of the microscope? And the correct answer is linking cholera to contaminated water. Question number 24. Who discovered the causative agent of leprosy, Mycobacterium leprae? Robert Koch, Gerhard Hansen, Louis Pasteur, Antony van Leeuwenhoek? And the correct answer is Gerhard Hansen. Question number 28. What technique did Louis Pasteur use to develop vaccines for anthrax and rabies? Genetic modification, attenuation, chemical synthesis, or filtration? And the correct answer is attenuation. Question number 29. Who introduced the concept of selective toxicity in antimicrobial therapy? Paul Ehrlich, Alexander Fleming, Gerard Domek, or Eli Metchnikoff? And the correct answer is Paul Ehrlich. Question number 30. Which scientist discovered the tobacco mosaic virus contributing to virology? Dmitry Ivanovsky, Robert Koch, Louis Pasteur, or Hans Christian Gram? And the correct answer is Dmitry Ivanovsky. Thank you.